Hey everybody, my name is John Janicek and this is Louie the Roach. That's right, he is the star of the children's book I wrote, Because Cockroaches Rule. Oh, a cockroach! Yeah, they can see you're a cockroach. Anyways, we're here to talk about the fantastic company that printed my books. Shengsheng King Fu Color Printing. Amazing, right, Louie? Oh yeah, they were great. I really like Angel. Yeah, Angel was our representative. She was fantastic. Anytime we had a question, she would get back to us right away. She answered her emails promptly. She guided us every step of the way. Oh, yeah, it was a great process. Tell them about the price. Oh, okay, you step back here, buddy. The price is amazing. I cannot believe nobody can beat her pricing and the quality that we got. Louie, my books, or our books, I should say, were glossy. Oh, yeah, I like glossy. It's really shiny. They're glossy. They're heavy pages, and they were stitched. They didn't have any glue in them, like some of the printers that other books I've had were glued. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work well. Sometimes they fall apart fast. Yeah, they fall apart real fast. But here, okay, there we go. So, anyways, Shengsheng King Fu Color Printing is who we will use for all of our books, and I am passing it along to all the future and the other authors that we know that are in the middle of printing books right now. Well, not printing, but in the middle of writing them. We'll tell them where to go, right, Louie? Oh, yeah, we sure will. Goodbye. Have a great day. Okay, step back, buddy. You're getting